Еден на еден, овозможено од Good Nature, најдоброто од чајникот на природата.
Going over to South Africa, what's childhood like over there? I mean, for you personally, what was it like?
For me, if I think of my childhood growing up, I remember my fondest memories are in my garden at home with my dad. He used to tell us about every plant and tree and about the fairies that lived in our garden. And he really instilled in my sister and I that we were responsible to take care of the earth through the door of that garden that we had access to. So I think that for me is a strong memory. And the other thing I spent all my time doing as a child, I didn't know if I wanted to be a politician or not, but what I did know was that I had an affinity to this great man that was our president, who was Nelson Mandela. So I used to write letters to him every single week.
No way.
Absolutely. I'd write letters to
What did
my
you write,
president.
like?
I would write the ideas I had for him, the things
Dear
I think
Mr.
he should
Mandela.
do. Absolutely. And in fact, somebody recently told me that there is a book in our parliament that is apparently about this size, and they have published every letter from every child around the world that
And
used to write letters.
the book is your letters.
And in that
She
book,
was
my
very
letters are there.
persistent kid, yeah.
I was.
But just let's explain to people, because not many of them know, like, where does this love for this man come from? Like, you're a kid.
Yes.
You do not know nothing about politics or something like that. Like, but you do love him.
Yes.
So explain that.
I grew up in a home that was very liberal and open-minded, and so my parents would share with us what was happening in our country. Unfortunately, for people who may not know, South Africa is really a place that has a very dark history, a very ugly past, one that segregated people based on the color of their skin. And I grew up in a home where, strangely, even though my parents were white, they were considered non-white because we had a foreign surname. And because of that reason, they were considered, and my mom grew up and she was bullied because she wasn't English and she wasn't Dutch. And so she had a really tough time. So I grew up in a home where...
English and Dutch?
Yes.
And everybody else?
Pretty much. But if you were black, you were the lowest class of human being. And you were treated in a way that I'm embarrassed that is our history. But unfortunately it is. But having said that, there was this great iconic man that rose to the forefront in a fight and a struggle to make sure that we would become free. And he had the choice to go into civil war or to take a peaceful resolution. And he chose to unite our country. And I think that for me, knowing that in some way or form as a child was a beautiful thing. And I grew up believing that this man was the hero of our people and our country.